You see, social Asante situation now. They are the gentle giants. I repeat, Asante is what we call the gentle giant. Ayana Ote Sankrofo say, oh, Asante for any Ghana problem. Ayana very sad. Very, very, very sad. Because this word Asante for any Ghana problem, and yen na ye can. Eti enem kodano eka. Ayana ubremu mwenye ye. I feel sorry for them. But I feel say yem penny for mum na dim kodana bro. If you say, when you don't know, you don't know. And when you've decided not to say obeka wanka say history, na be church history, na to the point say atena say am be the politicians kra say history. Aka ya mamra she ye nche no school. So what do you expect? In a generation like this, unya nsem we a e o say yete ase ne yete mistakes aye as a people yete ase.
Nice GA.
Yo obusia. Osha last week and someone edi mu akotene pa e kwakumenu ne issue na anase ne comment okoma e ma trigger a whole lot of conversation in media ne so. Na one thing na eya manfo abufu ye kra ne say all ka say ye wura besresi ska. Asantemera on sriska. Asantemera on sriska da. On sriska oje. Nenka sabio ye wura say obi antwetwa sika se ni mfa nya de a wo se ye wura besresiska ye wura on sriska sa na mo we ya bi na asantema wura e prempe otuye ema ye si legon nti ye wura on sriska da de kasa na ntwaye nti ade ba akwa mani gye ho ne se omo che no live so e wo TikTok na omo share ne se sa asem no onko patch on ne kasa no anka ne yi omo share pa na eyem de say they put away status nipa ne status nipa no baby a wadru omo de bibia to nchen so ye star so ye dan omo de ni nyina to nchen kire ne say entwaye nti onko na onko kasem ni nya saa en eyem de pa because omo amfa ne ho anya de omo amfa ne ho anchen omo amfa ne ho anchen kra and I'm happy say now no people are understanding say so obi kasa no ankasa ya nipa ne status ana ne day ye de beto nchen ni atenetene nipa no na kwan so na efe kwa o de yentie se de siko so live na no hyepa yentie ma
mi bia osi aduasa na wo kasa se ye na na sese ska wagu mami encha ye me pa cho bebre mami wuti mami nwie mi wi anu abam me pa cho pa mani abre okay the o de fa ya sante se mudi a enye betema wo they say many aje won say wo say wo ko so na wo de achop emu odu de ba me nuan masante fo mesra mo wo so wo de achop emu odu beba etimu de mu bi yentie no se kwa kuma enu chia me a ene ye me kwa me ma ne mem me nu mi ye be ye hu fi ti mesra wa ni de mu afa so ye na de o kasa enkan emo na sem so kra biem ma yente because what bibi na de what be your papa for your politics mama yenye na o ya na so aka set ya no wona ama wona say ya na so aka set ya no kwa kuma enu ya fa cho bebre kwa kuma enu body me so ya me ya fa kuma ye mfunja because I tell me no so wa fum na so wa ti asese wa no nya for the one we are to obi afu no eti me fa cho mama wuti wouldn't say ya him for kro mo sum wo manhia mama ti o ya him for mo sum wo manhia omo ko matira manhia me di asem kwa no omo ka asem ama mo no fom yeah mama me pato de make what masi Matias here na ye no me kan say sebi ye kumu ase ye ka obi di party se mo beka ho ana me ka se nka ye die mu krampo ba nka ye die mu ese nketimi ye kumu ase ye ne ye die mu ye ne ye ka se party we ye party no e ba ese nketimi ye die ye nka ye ntwese ye nana ene ne manfo nkohia empesikanse no obesese konfonoche etinya ne boni mu sebi enye ne boni mu se le koka se bia mana betia ye dabi ye wura kwampo no wonu anu se aha me nana we dabi enye ntesa sam ka se no amisia ye wura no sebi o ma mi hu se me nana me ni mu
What's in some amibu to get the agency and any munshda, our desperate program, Nasi. Now, me cry, and me say, me cry, say no wine. Sabi, me your wine. Who am I? Say me make Marcasetia, say, you are saying, say your bonny now, but I will be a person blackmailing me blacker. And come on, yet didn't say my yako, we are seeing. They do a community to cry, I am come up, a city, and Kenyan Puntopa.
Kopacho.
Kumpacho, mama remember Madaro, Mama.
Kopacho,
Mesewa, Messi, my Messi, Yamako.
Breku Mr. You can say Ghana, Yenina, Yentimi nko baby baako.
Aha, we dey me bomb nsem e de ma omo yesa me bomb nsem. Me bomb nsem mo esan say adwuma ne kwan so na mo ye de na mo ye no. And this is beautiful and I'm happy say obi ka asem no na entwa yi no matenetene no. I'm happy. We dey enye say bia ye atem no we ye anim kan nya atem didie. Ye twi nanim ye ka nanim na de wo so ye no akoye esan that chwo ne kura se de odo atenatene na odonim de na de otan anim kan de o ya aboa nti I'm happy say o motenetene kwakuma enu e ma ne fa kwan ye wo so fa so and I'm happy it happens that way. I'm very glad say o mo yes and mo amoko live ni so no e bomba baso pa na I'm happy say you say no it's over yade a enya ini atenetene you talk to you in a beautiful way you cannot resist na be to ansem ne so obeka ya emre bi ye work bi minim ye work ye asante wodom work minim say bia wote ne nkam ye sure because the impact was huge na we na manfo obi ko bisa question bi ema like enre ya question no nipa ne kan no na nkam me feel say nkam yi ya no but obi yi na no ma me manage ho pa it's say asanteman emu a waboa ni nyina no se wonyina ya mense ni din enka ontimi ne nka momu nya memfa otan enkeka ensem bia eni kwan se woka yentie 40 minutes video intima
Kumasefo ana asantefo demonstration kakra bi kansem kakra na em say on that demonstration no na oba no kasa ka asem bi na asem kan no say asante no de ne man ana na asante anya independent and say na Ghana anya independent nti amanfo bi a kasa didi asante asem ni hwe yi na Ghana no send message na obisa say na asante an independent there then I feel me don't go can go coast and I replied him and he was very sensible. I like people like that. It's about time we learn. Instead of say a bimude attempt the DNA at the hardene. I think sir in Asante 4 is to be blamed. I see a brim mukakra. If you say I might din che now say nipa ka wanu tum bebre so a na wo din na wo nkyere wo nsem mu a obi kyere wa asem mu ma sana akoye baby e friend Ghana no asantefo no ekoye nipa bi a omo ye din a che dodo na din na omo ya che no enti amankrofo o kyere omo nsem mu ma wo. And I think it's about time they do the right thing. So omo be kyere omo nsem mu is the right thing to do. A very big mistake has been done, no doubt about that. But I think it's the right time. You see, social Asante situation now. They are the gentle giants. I repeat, Asante is what we call the gentle giant. Yana Ote Sanprofoka say, oh, Asante for any Ghana problem. I am very sad. Very, very, very sad. Because this word Asante for any Ghana problem, and yen and a ye can. Eti enem kodano eka ayana ubremu mu enye ye. I feel sorry for them, but I feel say ye mpanyin for mum na dim kodana bro. If you say when you don't know, you don't know, and when you've decided not to say obeka wa ankasa history na be church history Now, to the point say, I can't say I'm microphobic, the politicians, crano, essay history. I can't, your mama, say, yenchenu school. So, what do you expect? In a generation like this, unyan same way, I will see a tears, yet mistakes are ye as a people, yet tears here. If you say, I cried one who him, it in your tea, and say, Asante, any Ghana problem as an all can be. There was some way Asante Ghana problem, and yan men, who. Eya kwesiko kwa kasa mimi ana ankrofos bisam sakwa and yana de bia wa hyesa atali echemi batakali kase ebi se baby a Ghana baby a friend Ghana ni gira no enyina yie eni abre ni bre ho eti ye won tokwam Ghana situation ye won tokwam sad enti na am hyesa atali etufu eti ubremu nkwa na enye yie in many ways because they don't know. Number 3, I say Asante for your problem. But this thing, Asante for your problem, was not said by as a Ghana fool. It was not said by Gold Coast for. It was said by Akwesikoko. I Obeto Asante. Because Obaya Noa, Obeto send ya Asante tia, ni Asante to me, ni Asante kesiyo. Ena bebredi nim. Adia, mo penny say, Africa, in Kabomu a ye peno. Africa, yenina ba kwa ye peno. By right, ena Asante ye. Asante aji baby a wakwa kodu kodivuwa watra wa duboni kuna faso. Asante wa baby a. When Akwesikoko be who said no, and they are too much, they are too great. Na dachi bino this kind of a krone ba hayadwene. And Akwesikoko divide and rule or betiti ba yanketenkete no nwati me runti eno sorry. Ba Akwesikoko ba ye na hana mpese me kire nia sister ne kai ye no kresa Asante de ne man me kire se. Akwesikoko oba ye no na Asante no de a kingdom or your mind na yenuanum bi yenka no kra nkyere ye ho no kra ya yenka ese yanka no kra ya na nkyere ye ho a eno na mankoda yi bi nimti onkeka ne ope. Okay, yenuanum bi ene omuti hoyi e de omo nsa ase koma Akwesikoko se onyi no hwe wonso Asante nti. In fact, to cut long story short, no, the history will tell you, say, Yenu yimu eni Akwesikoko koye ba akoni Asante koi. Okay. And Asante minu ba no koye kasa ose Asante nya independent dabi. Asante yansini unkonya independent mu dabi. It was Asante ne de before January 1935. Na se prempe okesiye ashe ne ho munyam am watimi atena so ja ene Akwesikoko kasa am Akwesikoko na agi atum se dabi enkrofo they are too different. Na Asantefo atena Kumase yede prempe atwa nsuo na atwa nsuo eso yet kingdom no engui na Akwesikoko ntiase na Asantefo atena se am Akwesikoko ache se wuntimi niye so enti Akwesikoko na wu se no these people there is no way so betredu onso na prempe so tie so ja ene ohema kasa am ohema na hu se dabi these are just two, they are different people. Eti by right, you know, one in war sabi yeku ohene enya izo na English for no omu akro mu ha no sa na omu de ye omu nkrofo nipa bebre ni ba Ireland your mind, okay, Scotland your mind, Wales your mind, okay, Ireland your mind for floor, Wales your mind for floor, Scotland your mind for floor, and England your four. But English for no ekumomo maka nyina ahemfo hye wo mase and om don be hye wo mase from United Kingdom. So when these people came there, ombe who said near na o maye o mukrom no eno na Asantefo aye. Okay, Asantefo techere on mine. Okay, omo techere on mine. Eti me kita le short no eno na English for be who said that be for you too much. But emra omo yenuanu bi ati area ho English for ye ba kokora ne Asante ekuntokwa no 4 no prempem pentokwa 2 pentokwa pa ne otintokwa asinim se sikuntokwa nyansam a Asante ne kire se bema na kumba bema on na kumba etina na prempem di ne ho kora ma ya okoye otimi kontinent so gya ne krofo ikasa ya ma oba back. Okay, enti oba back no the kingdom Obianu Odisuda. Enti January 1935, that English for ne Asantefo, I saw two more problems. Okay, Yes, no matter what more problems. Asante was a nation. And then the brave fee said, Ebia Ghana ne da Hosana, Obia Koyan flag, no Bisuko Ebi. Asante was a nation and is still a nation. Ayo Maya a war maimu. And you know, Uko Roma, baby ho. Uko Spain, Ebi ho. Uba England, Ebi ho. A man bishisha may be Montiase. Now I am so sad to say, and I'm saying Kurani Nimurintino. Ama Asante for life no aye too much for them. Ebisa Asante chirano dabi attitude we sound no motie. Wenti no mama kwanya makwesiko kwa nini so. Okay, by right, and social be before come. By right, problem at before come. By right, ateti be before come. By right, aye san ye me ya ne antiase. Aye ni ana Asante chichire. Wachichira du Côte d'Ivoire, wachichira du Burkina Faso, esaninti, bibinti, obiba besi ya so dachinti, ye nyina enya baako, sinebe ya nipa reba ontimi yenti, ene Asante, esaninti. Ade ana wo ya, ye nuanum bia ntiase a, omukota akwesiko achi, ene Asante ko ye no. Ene mumianka no kranche ye ho se, we have made mistake. Instead be appreciate Asante and what he stand for no, abaya otai. No, ewinya. By right, we here, young kind of crunch. Asante and Crophobia, na omuda ya sono esubebre. Natural me adia akwesiko kwa ya Asante nye. Adia bien who akwesiko kwa ya Asante nye. Otia se, enti muma yamfani die emma ye ho se, enna ye tuntumfuo ya. Akwesiko kwa betuna ye striso, akwesiko kwa tete yen, akwesiko kwa me aya sebe enkwa bi ama wo mo no. Ni nyina agina nkabo mu bi aye nya. Ni nyina agina solitia honhom bi eba ye mu. Ni nyina agina sa solitia honhom no. Akwesiko kwa timi be fa bibini, na bibini edi akwesiko kwa achidi etuo, eni bibini foforo ekon enye nene eba. Eti se yesua mu nyansa. Yanko yachi, see yanko history no. They are who the mistakes we've done. Yan correct ya huda. Yes, and we need to correct ourselves. Eti yesi jina Asante so kase. Ni akwesiko kwa beka chira yen sa Asante ni mo problem. All because Asante ni yakasiye. Eno who says so keka sa achira mua. Obenya mua. Mudi monsasi akoma wa mudi dano. Eni wa muso no munyamfa ankoma wa mudi dano. Abe jedi sa Asante ya problem. Eni Asante ya kunti. Eno keka sa. But listen, akwesiko kwa no awie ye no wahu. Ya broni wonpa ye samasa wo. Owie ye no wahu ni se dabi. Mo amode monsa ase bre me no. Mo amobeta me ma chise menimu nua monko no. Sabe. Edokra ba ko pa adwene wo fom. Eno nti na besi ne akwesiko kwa no di ebuo eni ni die kase ma Asante because obehu say these people are different. These people are like us. These people is just like us. Ni ayaya no enu na nkrofo we ye. Ahade no krasem ti atini. Eti me pesa me ketre me nua no say Boris, obusa asem na de pa eno kre. Na mom na bibia kre say emra 1935 Asante dane man. Na mom sabe ayi Asante ti amayase na nipa na wo nyina so do won. Na owu ni say Omosi se Asante eti no ho na Asante koja won a ahwa English fo no emma baabi a o ma ba fe no Gold Coast no independent danti Asante ti asesa ta o machi eboa won emma independent ne ba ma area ho nyina. Okay, enti independent na Asante prema Ghana no o prema no wa adwenipam o prema no ewo adwenipam o prema no wo susupam se ye nyina yegu aye anuafo ewo musa meni abrofo na so to ye ho out there. But yes, nyamo ka me mo ya adwene mehwe na ye nyina ya kai ho abom ye na yaje a total independent for all na mu nyina so nyamo independent. But Asante there no English assault the program away 22 good years between them, because 1935 and 1957 is 22 good years between them. Eti Montia says Asante no or your mind or your a nation in a nation. Montia says na ya na mukase nbebe ne kase Asante Ghana problem wa. Nyama na ya reho sem ne se Asante aye the gentle giant. Ekrobi abekomu bia no. Ekrobi abekomu bia no. On ko doso no. On ne tietia o ma musare fa ahudi so. Banya Asante. Dabi Asante momu no enketo no mo pese o mu tietia Asante so. What be that? Where tells you how tolerant Asante is. And every great person, every great people, be very tolerant. And Asante, they stands out. And Timotheus, no, so Obika say, account for any Ghana problem. I can see some point in it. You tell me 10 years. So because I account for any Ghana problem, I can see some sense in it. Because I account for no etiasia komu ho bomu yia. E ka Ghana for nyina nyamfaso. No kra. Yes, so account for no a omna majority no. Se komu ka omu ho bomu yie. Ati omu ho asi yie. Ejai entokwa hunu ntokwa amfaso bi ani so. Ewo mra o ma memma kura na ye wo mu no. Eye da ya obi che obi. O ma memma kura obi che obi. Na efie bia mo se obi nche obi o menya fiba. Ena nya panyini ena ye de bibia. Etoda ketwa na kaachie ni won munyam che panyini na ye den. Na kaachie na no nyam etwi fla busua ni nyina. Yes, ha na asem no muntie ni. Eti account for mom ena disappoint the whole place of Ghana. No correct. Because as an account for no e ka omu ho abomu yie atake omu position. Oh, omu de Ghana be see ye. Men kasa kese no. Monhwe near this so-called democracy no. Eti account for ka omu ho yie. Monhwe near this so-called democracy Ghana. Kasa na e want to twa so. Baby e friend Ghana ha no. Monhwe near this so-called democracy tete no. Pansam no. I say
yes, ebusuya, so this is the video nipa ne ye responding ma ye na obusa question no. And I'm happy say you won't go for be on ma you ready to put people on their right path. And I'm happy it happens this way. Yes, we in a church say mawasante semu hia ona ye kanu. This is what we meant and this is what we mean mawasante semu hia. Ebusuya nende di kan mesro me subscribe button no. Give me a notification bell. So the way I do a video be a feel free to check out your comment section. But that's all here me, my crowd.